I want to see dating my ex-boyfriend's best friend. Why? You know, some I always want to ask the girl. Oh, anyways, let's get into it. Dear Pastor, I always get some good little sauce, man. Tell him, dear Pastor, I'm 25 years old and I have been involved with a man who is also 25. We started living together 4 years ago. I was living with another man who was not treating me well. This guy and that man were good friends, and I complained to him that the guy wasn't treating me well, so this guy spoke to him about it. That was the end of their friendship because the other guy told this man what he should go and do with his mother, and they had a fight. This guy beat him up and he threatened that he would take him life. So I gave up my job and went into hiding. Oh, him say I'm gonna take fear life. So she has to quit her job and go into hiding. Okay. Believe me, this guy that I am with now had me at his sister's house. So the other guy didn't know where I was. I did not leave that house for months until one day my present boyfriend told me that the guy saw him and asked for me. He said that he is a changed man and is now a Christian, so he's looking for a Christian girl. He also said that he did not expect me to go with his best friend. Having a relationship with his best friend was never in my mind, but I had to do something because I had my bills to pay. I did not want my insurance policy to lapse. One thing with the Jamaican get them on a front, and I'm going to use it. My present boyfriend took over everything, and although I was not living at the house, I could not give it up, so he was paying the rent for me. He's really a good man. When we had sex for the first time, I felt so guilty knowing that I was having sex with my former boyfriend's best friend. But now, it don't bother me. He had a girlfriend at that time, and when she heard that we are together, she dropped him. But before she did, he gave her my number to call me in his presence. He was not afraid to do so, and she told me she is not holding anything against me because she understood the circumstances that brought us together. This man and I are now living together, and his former girlfriend and I are now good friends. Oh, what kind of soap opera this? This has some hope and some this has some bold and beautiful um region and broken and hope and what is man? Royal Palm Estate. There are so many ways in which I can say that this guy is better than my ex. He would like to get me pregnant, but I have been begging him to continue to use protection because I want to go to college and I do not want to get pregnant now. My mother told me that I am worthless to take away the man who I knew had another woman. Maybe with a woman, but she can say anything that she wants because I don't even know my father and she has never been able to help me. All right. That story of Kakamai now start ways. You know what I mean? I mean, the man that I treat you bad, you tell him friend. I don't know what they telling her the friend thing do. Why you never left him? Well, you couldn't left him? I understand. Okay, but you tell him friend. So him friend go talk to him about it. Told him catch a fight. One bag of suck this and badness keep. And then the man say, I'm gonna do you things. And say you hide out and you start there with the man and the man had have a woman and you and the girl turn bed. You know so the girl obey you. Yeah, like, yeah, keep your friends close, keep your enemies close. Like, yeah, girl, yeah, take your man too. Hey, what is going on here? On a friend, anybody, you know, on a, everybody, everybody with on friend. You take the girl, man, friend the girl, so you just think everything's sweet. Who would be surprised if me hear say, girl is start the back with the man and the man left, you know, for go back to girl and all these things. This case this is giving Tara and Amina. But if I remember Love and Hip Hop, or if you guys watched Love and Hip Hop, this is giving Tara and Amina because they even became friends at one point. Like they trying to have a baby off, trying to have the last baby for Peter Guns. How are you friends? Allegedly. But it's also giving Bold and Beautiful. Anyways, let's see what Pastor said to her because Pastor is infamous with terrible advice. So let's say Pastor had anything good to say. Pastor said, Dear Kate, many people would condemn you, but while they are condemning you, they are in no position to help you. Your previous boyfriend was not treating you well, and when you complained to his friend about it, his friend spoke to him and him tell him friend what he should do with his mother. No man wants to hear another man telling him what derogatory things he should do, especially concerning his mother. This man helped you. He came to your rescue, so to speak. You knew what you were going through and you accepted the help he offered. So even though people may condemn you, you are in a better position today, and I hope that you will be able to attend college with the help of this man. I want to wish you well. Pastor said, take a girl, man. I be everything you do. Everything you do. Pastor said, girl, man, forget take. So what? Take a girl, man. Yeah. And get the things them out of the boy. Jamaica is different. And so there's no comments here. Jamaica is different. And so my advice that I would typically give people is saying that relationships based on finances is terrible. If a money the man you sketch you, terrible. Because money doesn't speak of a person's morals, values, and so forth and such. Remember, so when anything is new, it is fun at that given time. For some reason, men love damsel in distress, but it's when you're no longer in distress. That don't mean it's a last, you know. And if a girl can take your man, but if you can take a girl man, that means a girl can take back the man too. Because it means he's open to cheating and he's open to leaving the person that he's with in a very disrespectful way. Because why would he give his current girlfriend your number to call you in his presence? And you think that that's a badge of, yeah, I'm better than the girl. It's more so he's a clown and you're performing in his circus. And I was gonna give Shorty props for dipping out and leaving both y'all clowns to to perform, but she's performing too. So I really don't know what's going on. If you can take my man a year, man, and me and friend, I mean that's weird. But God bless on a cockamine story, on a boat on a soap opera. All right, me not advice to you. Me not advice, girl. Big up yourself. You take a girl, man, and the man a mind you. Be your money in your pocket. Live good, girl. Live good. In reality, I would tell you to be mindful, get your finances together at a way that you can take care of yourself, right? And that you're not depending on this man because you never know if this man can start ill treat you too. You never know what can happen. Now, mind you, it might work and live together for the next 70 years and all of that, but maybe not. So just be mindful. All right, big up on yourself, my God.